So hello everybody. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to add GTM container to our WordPress website so we can track anything like Google Ads, GA4 and Facebook ads. To do that, we need to create a container under a GTM account. Let's create an account first. This is the account name and this is the container name. So here I'm saving now the web container. So our GTM account and container creation is done now. So this is the GTM account number. To add the GTM container to our website, we need a plugin named GTM for WP. So I'm searching here for GTM for WP. So install active. So it's activated. Now we have to configure this plugin. To configure the plugin, I'm clicking on setting. Now I'm copying the GTM container number and paste it here. We have to save these changes. After saving the changes, we need to turn it on and again save changes. Now GTM container is successfully added to the site. It's time to preview how we did. So as we can see, it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. We'll see you in the next one.